Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 21st, 2022. MATIC. It's not a buy. Wait, hold on. Are you really saying that right now? That you shouldn't be buying Polygon MATIC today? Well, I'm going to show you all from the price chart as to where I think the price is going to go way before the price gets there so that we can be prepared for it. I mean, isn't that a benefit to actually see someone predict prices without being confused and give you all a heads up as to where price is going to go? If you all think that's a benefit, then guess what? You hit the right channel. I'm here. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you guys want to join the team, because we've been hitting this out the park for a couple of years now into anticipating where price is going to go without the confusion. So you guys can see though, right? At certain times, there may not be any plays. At certain times, you may not be able to forecast a price movement. And I did that for MATIC on my last video. You guys can see it. There's no price prediction here. I did the video on February the 8th. 2022, and the market was too indecisive, so I said, well, I'm gonna kick back, wait a minute, let the market continue to trade, and then when I come back, maybe I can actually place an idea as to where I think the market's going to go. Maybe today's that day. Let's talk though. You guys can see it. There's two lines on my price chart. Both of these lines are very important because it means that we need to see something happen. So this ascending line right here that I've got created, that started all the way back in 2021. Yeah, this is the buyer's line. The buyers need to make sure that they come in and prop up MATIC's price. This is what that line entails. This upward horizontal line up here at the top of the chart resembles the sellers. The sellers need to continue to push down MATIC's price so that we can have ideas to where the market's trying to go. This is what both of these lines mean. So let's go ahead. We saw that, what, February the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, this is where the market got rejected. So the sellers are actually down here now. So we're going to lower that line. We got it. We appreciate the market giving us this information because it tells us what we need to be prepared for as price comes back up to these levels. So we're looking for the sellers into the market in MATIC to fall or approach and appear around $2.10, give or take, right around that certain vicinity. You may even be able to follow the downtrend line too, because this market in MATIC since December of last year has been in a downtrend. The price has been trending lower, so you can do that as well. It's your preference. There's no right or wrong answers into the market in your analysis and prediction. All right, I'm gonna bring it up there around $2.20. Now let's look at the price in MATIC on a couple of different time frames to see which one is actually winning, the buyers or the sellers. Let's see. So let's look at the market in MATIC on the 3-day time frame. Let me zoom in so we all can get a better depiction as to what's going on. You guys can see right here that I don't see a lot of bullishness here into the market in MATIC. I just don't, especially right here. This is a lot of weakness coming into the market in MATIC. We should have seen the buyers continue to go up on after the conclusion of this 3-day price bar. We should have seen that, but instead the market got rejected and went down. And then again, on this 3-day price bar on February the 15th, the market tried to go up. The buyers tried to appear, they tried to elevate the price in MATIC, and they still got rejected. That is why on this last completed 3-day price bar, the market went lower. We got it. We appreciate it. It tells us that the sellers are actually winning and dominating this current environment in MATIC. We're not here to switch over and try to manipulate and show what we want the price to do. No, we simply follow what the market is already doing without being confused. So we appreciate all this information. So let's look at MATIC on a weekly time frame. You guys can still see it right here. This week, February the 7th, 2022, was weakness. Look at the last completed weekly price bar. Still the same thing. Both of those bars are identical. That is nothing but selling coming into the market in MATIC over the last 2 weeks. There's no harm, no foul. The market is literally telling us, hey, I know you all may want to see the price in MATIC go up. I know you do. But hey, the market is telling you, I'm trying to take this price down. Either you can listen or you don't have to listen. And when it happens, you can just sit there and scratch your head and figure out, okay, why in the world is this price going down in MATIC? He's telling us right now. So that is weakness. Now, considering that we've seen weakness 2 consecutive weekly price bars, do you think, this is the question that I'm posing to you now, do you think the market's going to hold this trend? We need to figure that out now, because if so, we don't have too far to go to the downside. We're expecting the buyers to approach and appear on this line, right? But do you think that's going to happen? Think about that. Because if we are not able to hold price alongside this ascending line, guess what? We're going to start to see the price stair step its way down. We can expect to see that in MATIC. Now that's going to go all the way out into 2022 to be prepared for that. But we haven't broken the trend just yet. So as I am anticipating the price in MATIC to continue to go down, I understand we can still see the market elevate price there. I got it. Okay. Let's look at the market on the monthly time frame here in MATIC. And again, I think you guys can still see, even from a monthly perspective, that the market is weak. Yeah, I hate to be the bearer of bad news if those who want to see the price go up. This is not what a bullish market looks like, especially when you see the weakness coming in at this ascending line, right? We don't want to see weakness come in towards an area to where the market needs to show strength. We're not seeing strength right now on this trend. So are we anticipating the price to break this ascending line? Hey, it is very possible. But here we are. I'm giving you all a heads up as to that could happen, right? So let me go ahead and do this real quick. Let me hit this back over to the daily time frame, because yes, the market here in MATIC is currently weak. Now, the first thing that I would tell you is that we can still see the market buyers approach. So that could literally go against my price prediction of us seeing the price go substantially lower. I got it. I understand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say that the first area that we can see the buyers appear into the market in MATIC is right there around $1.45. Okay, that's the first area. Now, if we break $1.45 to the downside, then the next level that I'm going to look at is going to be down here towards $1.30. That's around 15% movement to the downside. So we got $1.45 first, $1.31 second, and then from a monthly perspective, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market come down to $1.20. Okay, so the three price targets that I'm looking at: $1.45, $1.31, and then $1.21, or around those areas. Now, if we see buyers come into the market at $1.45, you need to cut the play, because they're confirming that they're willing to keep this trend in play, because this is a very strong trend into the market in MATIC. We break this trend, then the market weakness is definitely going to be more entrenched as we go throughout 2022. I'm just here to give you all the heads up. So yeah, right now, this is what I'm expecting the market to do in MATIC. Still looking for the price to go down slightly, $1.45, $1.31, $1.21. And as we continue to see the market trade, especially if we don't see the buyers come in on this ascending line, we already know what to expect. All right, so this is what I'm looking forward to. It is your turn. You can hit me up. Let me know. Drop a comment real quick and tell me what is your price prediction in MATIC. Tell me what are your price targets so that we can have a better feel as to what the overall market, those who are interested in this market, is thinking. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.